natural stone like this.
Yeah.
We have the course already. 17 students.
Right now.
Yeah. Do you know him?
Yes. Okay. This I remember this. I think this is my table here. This. Wow, look at that. View from the classroom. Isn't that beautiful? So if I want to unleash window. Galing this brings back memories. Di bansa. Hi, how are you? Fine. Yeah, I'll see you later. That's all gemstones. Ito lahat yan totoong bato. This is where I graduated gemology. Here. The school owns JTC Tower. JTC Tower is 69 floors of gems and gemstones. So you've seen the inside. Now we're going back inside, but we're going up to my classroom. Let's see if my key card still works. Wow, may magic pa. Galing hindi pala nag-expire pa. Hi, how are you? I'll just take a... It's different already. You're remodeling, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Is Spoon still a teacher?
Sorry?
Is Spoon still teaching?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. There.
Walking.
No. Sachi. This chai. Nee. Open cup. This is where I buy my equipment. I'm now looking for a microscope head. Hi. Hello. Okay. Do you have Leica?
No. No same other boss, no and read symbol can read.
They might see something that I do not see.
Ang ganda ng kulay niya.
Although sa microscope, kita ko may mga cleavage, pero